Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love and the general for the sign of Taurus for January 2022. So watch this video if you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any of the placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Now let's see messages. I'm a Moon and Venus and Taurus myself, so I make Taurus videos very consistently on the channel. You can consider subscribing. And all other signs hate us for that, but who cares, right? So let's see first the general message for Taurus. What is the general message for Taurus for January, please? Give me messages for Taurus for January 2022. Five of Swords. Ooh, Taurus. You see somebody as a player. You're not able to trust somebody, is what I see. Somebody might have really stepped on your foot, and you're really bitter about somebody. Like you feel that somebody showed you their true colors, and you feel that you don't deserve to be treated the way they have. Like you were giving a lot to this person. You were very nurturing, very caring. Some of you also financially helped this person, or you just gave them a shelter. I don't know what you were doing, but I see that you were going above and beyond for somebody. Some of you, this could be a family person, so maybe somebody in your family, or it could be a friend or whatever. Like you did a lot for somebody, and they turned out to be an absolute jerk, is what I see. And now you're kind of disappointed as to why did you let that happen. Like you always knew, you always had an intuition that somebody is a player, but you kept on ignoring the red flags, and turns out that you were correct. Okay, I also see that something is going to get revealed to you. So yeah, like a pretty shocker is going to come out, but some of you already have an intuition about it. So basically you will be proven right. Okay, what else for Taurus? Yeah, Eight of Swords. I see that you are basically in a fix these days. Like you want to make a decision about something, and you kind of have done your research as well, and you finally just want to make a move, but something is keeping you stuck and you're not able to make a decision. Some of you, you're not able to make a decision because emotions are involved. Like you were emotionally vested in the situation, and now you do not want to cut this person out, or you just do not want to treat the person the way they treated you. I don't know what it is, but it's like you are holding yourself from acting in a certain way. Some of you just want to go ahead and block this person, or you want to tell them that they have been messing up with you, or they have been treating you in a way which is not acceptable, and you kind of are aware about their shit, but you're basically just holding yourself from acting in a certain way, is what I see. And the secret that is going to get revealed to you, you are also aware about it. So it's like you're like, what will you tell me? Let me tell you what's your shit. But you're just kind of holding yourself from doing that these days. So yeah, you're pretty much in a stuck situation where you want to make some sort of decision, but you're just trying to hold yourself up. Okay, what is the advice for Taurus in this? What is the advice for Taurus in this? Strength card. Some of you, you're being asked to hold on to your inner strength. So right now is not a time to act in a hurry. Rather hold on to your strength and let the situation unfold. Some of you, you're also being asked to take the control in your hand, and the situation is going to resolve very easily. You will not have to put more effort, you just have to wait for the right time. Okay, so don't try to act in a hurry and kind of ruin the situation. Observe and then make your move. Some of you, you feel that it is going to be a lot of hard work from your side to resolve the situation, but ultimately I see things are going to get resolved very, very easily. So you just need to wait for the right time, is what the cards are suggesting you. Okay, wait for the right time, you will be able to handle it. Hold on to your inner strength, because I see these days you're feeling very weak, right? Because you feel that you did so much and got nothing in return. So emotionally you feel very vulnerable. You're being asked to hold on to your inner strength. Okay, you feel like you don't have any control over the situation, nothing is going as per the plan. That's not the case. It's just the matter of timing. You just need to wait for the right time. Okay, Five of Cups. I also see that emotionally you're very vulnerable. You really need to pay attention to your mental health. Like, do not stress yourself. The right time is going to make things very, very clear for you, and things are going to be pretty much in your control. So next 8 days or 18 days are going to be very significant, but next 5 days could be emotionally turmoiling. So you just need to hold on to your inner strength. Do not act in haste. Okay, Taurus? Now let us see your love messages in specific. So this was about your general message. Your money looks good, by the way. We had the Queen of Pentacles, which shows to me that your money situation is really good. Some of you are also very focused on making money. Your goals like new year, new me shit. So yeah, you're quite determined and it's going to pay you off. Now let's see love messages for Taurus. Give me the present energy for Taurus in love. What is the present energy for Taurus in love? What is happening? Magician, some of you, you're manifesting a connection. You're manifesting something or someone these days, yeah, but I see the problem is that this person is very closed off. Somebody is not giving you the kind of communication you want from them. So you might be manifesting a call or a text or whatever. You're just manifesting somebody to open up more, but this person is acting very, very distant. Some of you might have tried approaching this person, but they seem very, very closed off. So that could be a problem. That could be a blockage, okay? I also see that whenever you talk, it's most of the times you're just talking about each other's, problems. Like you point out their mistakes and they point out yours. So kind of situation gets worsen up because of that. So something that you're manifesting is not going as per the plan, and that's kind of disappointing you. Like you keep on manifesting this connection and this person is acting in a very weird way, is what I see, and that's disappointing you. Some of you also feel that this person is a player, because magician could be a player, right? You feel this person is not revealing their true self to you, so they appear very different and they are very different persons. So you are also having second thoughts about this person right now. You feel that, is this the same person that they appear to me, or they have more to them? So what is the incoming influence in this situation for Taurus and their person, please? What's the incoming influence? 10 of Wands. This is going to be a bit of hard work, Taurus. Some of you, you're also being asked to not throwing the towel, because 10 of Wands is basically you hitting the goal, but you will be also tempted to give up just before hitting the goal. Like you're very close to the destination. Some of you, you have been working on this situation for some time, and because it is not giving you any positive response, so you are feeling very tired and you want to give up. So your message is to not give up just before you hit the towel. Sorry, do not throw the towel just before you hit the goal. And with the Six of Swords, again, I see that you are going to get into calm waters. The clarity that you're seeking, the improvement that you're seeking is going to come in, but it's going to come with a little bit of hard work. Like this connection, this situation is a bit of hard work, okay? So it's emotionally very burdening. And that's the same reason why we were seeing the Five of Swords and the Five of Cups in your general message as well. So emotionally, these days, you feel very, very burdened. And all of this is very confusing. So you're basically like, shall I wait? Shall I move on? Shall I wait? Shall I move on? So your message is to hold on, all right? Do not give up. Do not give up, because you're very close to the destination. We'll see the outcome, however, but that's your advice for now. Let's see, what is this person's intentions towards Taurus, please? What is this person's intentions towards Taurus? Ooh, Sun card. See, like somebody is seeing you in a very good light. I see this person thinks that you are like a soulmate connection to them, or they feel that you just lighten up their soul. Some of you, you really have helped this person through their dark times. So you're basically their sunshine, okay? So I see that you are overestimating the situation because this person is quiet. You are overthinking, like you guys are definitely not talking as much, and you're just over imagining the situation in your brain and making scenarios out of it. Some of you, you need to stop doing that, because the situation is not as worse as you're thinking. And some of you, the problem is not you and this person, it's other people. So friends, family, or whatever are creating a chaos in this connection. So you need to stop listening to other people and just listen to your own damn self, Taurus. This person's intention towards you is Sun, which means that they see you in a very good light. They have high regards for you. Some of you, this person appreciate the fact that you've done a lot for them, but you think they don't. And that could be because this person is not talking to you as much, or they are, disconnected. I don't know what it is. So that is why you're just kind of over imagining the situation in your brain. You need to stop doing that. Okay, what else? What's going to be the outcome here? Five of Cups. I see that you're going to be emotionally very, very distant. And again, we have the Strength card, which is again telling you not to act in impulse, because some of you, you're impulsively trying to take an action. Some of you just want to cut this person out of your life because you feel that you gave your everything and still you could not make it work. So you're being very pessimistic about the situation. You need to be stop being so pessimistic. Just try to be more optimistic. See, Six of Cups, I definitely see a reconciliation. Some of it's a Leo or a water sign. There is somebody who's coming in with communication. However, you are not having patience for it. Some of you feel that in New Year you cannot continue with this shit of this person ghosting you and not giving you the clarity. So some of you feel that you might just cut this person off, and that might be too early for you to do that. Like, this person is coming in for sure. There is somebody who's having love for you. Some of it's a Gemini, some of it's a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You just need to calm your tits. Like, I see that you're just trying to be very impulsive. You know, even the Five of Cups say that you are focusing on all the negatives and you're not focusing on the two cups that are still here. And Two of Cups is a relationship. There is definitely relationship showing up in your life, but you are not patient, Taurus. Some of you feel it's done and dusted. You did everything. This person did not appreciate. Now you're like, fuck it. Fuck this shit. I don't want anybody. So yeah, something is emotionally very, very disappointing to you. Some of you also want to take revenge from this person. Like, you feel that this person is mentally fucked you and you just want to give it back to them. So I see that emotionally you will just ruin something in impulse. So you need to calm down. Like, just wait for some time, okay? So what is Taurus' intention in this whole situation? Two of Cups. You have a lot of love for this person as well. Some of you, it's definitely a water sign, Aries, Leo. We also have Libra. You want the situation to balance out, but you don't want to wait. Some of you, you feel this weight is too much, and that's why you are tempted to walk away. So it's like every day you're just having a battle with yourself, and you ask yourself, should I walk away? Shall I walk away? Shall I walk away? You need to wait because you also have love, isn't it? Two of Cups is your intentions in this situation. You want this person to take as much action as you have been taking all this while, and they're slow at it. They're definitely very slow at it. And you're very afraid to open up again to them because you feel that I did the last time but it was turned down, so I'm not going to do it again. You're very, very stressed dealing with all of this at once. You know, you feel that a lot is going on and you just want to stay disconnected and you're just trying to be by yourself. You just want peace right now. You don't want problems, you want peace. So what's going to be the outcome, final outcome between Taurus and this person? What's going to be the final outcome? The Hermit. Some of you are going to ghost this person. I see that you have already ghosted them or you are planning to do it with the King of Cups. There is love here, but I see there's going to be a lot of running and chasing, you know, because you're also tempted to basically give this person, like, take revenge from them, and this person is too slow in action. So I see that some ghosting can be involved, some emotional distance can happen. Five of Wands, just be very careful that you do not invite any sort of drama. There could be like a external influence which can create chaos in your relationship, so you need to take care of that. And also be very careful that you do not say things which turn out to be very mean, okay? With the Ten of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, I see there is a scope to this connection, but the problem is that things are pretty slow and you're not having patience. So I just see that you might just end up fighting with each other. So, you know, for January, just make sure that you do not trigger this person and you do not get triggered as well. Okay, you just need to have a little more patience. Okay, give me message for Taurus, please. Give me message. I miss you. This person misses you. As I said, you already have an intuition. And yeah, they do miss you for sure. Please be true to me. So you just want this person to be open and honest with you, and they want the same from you. Like, both of you are hiding things. You are hiding because you don't want to get hurt, and they are hiding because they might have hurt you the last time. So they're not sure if you will receive them or not. You make me weak in the knees. Okay. And then we have I want a family with you. Some of you, this person wants a family with you. They want to have babies with you. They might have already said you things like I love babies, or whatever. You might have had a discussion for babies. You just need to be more patient with this person is what I see. Some of you, this person is being deceptive to you, as in they don't show you their real intentions. So yeah, you need to bear with them. Getting to know each other. I see you need to get to know each other better, and you will get to know more about this person, you know, like separation. You guys are in separation right now, definitely, and this could be the one. So yeah, like I see that you guys are in separation right now, but that's because there's like a lot of things which are not said and done. There's a lot of miscommunication, misunderstandings. So I see you will get an opportunity to talk and clear the air. Like this person is going to clear the air with you, but it's going to happen slowly and gradually, so you need to have patience. Some of you, this person is the one for you. You already have an intuition. You just need to be more patient, right? You've already met the romantic partner you seek, so yeah, you kind of know that this is the person for you. It's just that it's gonna take time, okay? And I see right now you're just in this mode of ghosting each other, so you want to ghost them, they are ghosting you. So you both really need to get your shit together and mature, because you both are acting like kids is what I see, okay? So I'm calling you both out. I'm not pointing only one person. All right, so that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.